Hey guys, today I received a NTTA toll tag and unfortunately there were no instructions how to install it. I mean, it's a small thing, but the confusion is whether this barcode has to be facing inside towards the driver or outside, right? When you put it on the windshield. So the way it works is just peel off the back side of this sticker. This one will open up the sticky side basically, and then you install it like this. So the barcode is facing inside the vehicle and the toll tag, the sticky side will be the other side. Okay, so let me show it to you once I install it. So there you go. So I just install it here. So the barcode is facing inside and the toll tag T with the symbol will show outside like this. That's all. Just press it hard, no bubbles, nothing, and then you should be fine. Thank you. Hope it helps.